Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to regenerate your drawing in MicroSurvey CAD. Every once in a while, your drawing may look like this. Very crooked, inexact, and impossible to read. Essentially what's happening is that you're way too zoomed in for the program to handle the line work properly. To fix this, go into the bottom right-hand corner and click this little envelope icon. Here in the events log, you can see that there's a line which states that the regen operation is required. All I have to do is click it, and then click Regen Now in the bottom right. And as you can see, everything on my drawing is now properly visible. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing, it really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.